Hello. Hello, Dude.
Hello, teacher.
Good evening. How are you?
Yeah, I'm so happy. What
You're
are
so
you?
happy. You say, how about you?
How about you?
I am so happy too because tomorrow is New Year's Eve. It's New Year
Yes.
tomorrow. Yay! Look, are you going to celebrate tomorrow?
Yes.
Where are you going tomorrow, honey? Where are you going tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I don't know.
Wait. I'm going to put it in the chat box. Okay, here. Since it is New Year's Eve tomorrow, are you going to celebrate it? Grade it?
Yes.
Here, honey. It. Honey, did you see my message?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, you're going to celebrate it. Are you going to celebrate it at home or in the restaurant? Honey,
Yes.
where are you going to celebrate it?
Yes.
Here,
Or not?
at home? At
No.
home? In the restaurant?
No. No. I
No?
don't.
You don't celebrate New Year's Eve. You don't celebrate New Year's Eve.
Yes.
I see, honey. Okay. Here. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, honey, teacher is now going to share the screen. We are now going to have our new material. Are you ready, Duke? Are you ready? Duke, are you ready for our new material?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
You say, yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Very good, honey. Okay, teacher is now going to share the screen. And let's have this one. Okay, can you see teacher's screen now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, honey. So now we are going to have unit number 2, and the title of this one, honey, is my
My school.
very good my school. Great job, honey. So by the end of this lesson, honey, you will be able to talk about school subjects and use the word like. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Ready?
Yes.
Okay, but before that one, honey, let's have this one first. What is this one? What is this word?
Library.
Very
Library.
good. Yes, we have the word library. How about this?
Canteen.
Very good. What do we do in the canteen? What do we do in the
I
canteen?
I eating. Eh,
I eat in the
I eating. Hello.
I honey, can you hear me? Can you hear my voice?
Me.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, you say,
Yes.
I eat in the canteen.
I eat in a canteen.
Very good. Okay. Next one, what's this?
Playground.
Very good. What do we do in the playground?
I play slide and swing.
Very good. Great job, honey.
Many
Next.
game.
Hmm.
Classroom.
Very good. This one is a classroom. What do we do in the classroom?
I write, listen to teacher.
To the teacher. Yeah. You read, write, and listen to the teacher in the classroom. Great job, honey. Okay, now let's move forward to the next one. What is this again?
It's library.
Very good. That one is a library. Okay, now, how about... Okay, let's have this one. Let's spin, okay? Let's spin, spin. And then you say stop. You say stop. Okay? Okay, let's go. 4. What's for number 4? What is number 4? Number 4 is...
Is canteen.
Very good. Ding, 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 ding. How about number 5? What's for number 5? Number 5
is playground.
very good. Number 5 is a playground. Next one. How about number 2? What's for number 2?
Is a library.
Very good. Next one. Oh, it's 2 again. Next one. 5. How about for number 5? 5 is
playground.
Very good. Oh, spin again. We're done, honey. Actually, it's done. Okay, now, where is your friend, honey? Where's Daisy? Where is Daisy?
The Daisy is in the classroom.
She's in the classroom. One more time.
She is in the classroom.
Very good. Next, where is Jack? Where's Jack?
He is in the playground.
Yes, very good. He's in the playground. Next, where's Lina?
She's in the canteen.
Very good. She is in the class. No, what is this classroom?
Canteen.
This should be canteen. Yeah. Okay, next one. Your answer is correct, honey. Next, where's Mike? Where is Mike?
He's in the library.
He's in the library. Very good. Now, it's time for you to learn new words, Duck. You ready?
Yes.
Say, yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Very good. Okay, now let's have these following words, honey. What do you think is this, honey? What subject is this?
It's a map.
Very good. That one is math or mathematics. Okay, how about the next one? What is that?
English.
English. Honey, English.
English.
Very good. Honey, do you like math?
Yes, I like.
Ooh, how about English? Do you like English, Duke?
Yes, I like.
Whoa, you say yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Very good. Okay. Let's have the third one. What do you think is this? What's that one?
Vietnamese.
Very good. That
Vietnamese.
one is Vietnamese. Do you like the Vietnamese subject, Duck?
Yes.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Very good. And lastly, what's this one, Duck? Take a look. What is that?
Is the art.
It's art. Very good, honey. Okay, let's see if your answers are correct. Yay! Very good. We have here the first one. The first one is, what is it again?
Math.
Yeah.
Maths.
Maths. Okay. Okay, honey, in United Kingdom, honey, United Kingdom
United
or
Kingdom.
UK, yeah, UK, they call it maths with S. Yeah,
Math.
with S.
Math.
Maths. But in
Math.
US English, honey, using the US English, they call it math. No S. Okay? Yeah. In UK, they call it maths.
USA.
Yeah. Yeah. USA.
A.
Yeah. In USA, they call it math. No S. Math. But in UK, honey, they call it maths with S. Okay? Yeah, don't be confused.
Yes.
Honey, what is math? What do you think is math, my dear? What is it? What do you learn? What do you learn with math? What is it? I'm going to translate it, okay?
The math is taught. The math is for me is the plus the dot on the
Okay.
Bạn học được gì trong môn toán?
is a
Yeah. Multiplication, addition, subtraction, division. Yes, very good, honey. And do you like it? Do you like it?
I like.
Yes, I
like.
do. Yes, I do. Okay, very good, honey. Okay, next one. Actually, honey, that's arithmetic. Okay, we have here. Honey.
English.
Honey. Wait. Not English. English. Yes, yes. English. Very good. Like this.
English.
Yeah, okay. English, not English. All right? Honey, what is English? What is English subject? What do you learn? What do you learn in English? I'm going to translate it, okay?
It's many units. One unit in our
you learn a lot of
many.
Yes, very good, honey. It is the study of language, all units, all lessons, my dear. The grammar, the writing, the speaking. Yeah, do you like it?
Yes, I like.
Yes, I do. For time. Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Great. Okay, next to the English, honey, we have Vietnam.
Vietnamese.
Honey, what do you learn? What do you learn in Vietnamese subject, honey?
I learn it's a unit. What's all your Vietnamese subject? It's a subject is reading,
Mm-hmm.
speaking,
And it's Vietnamese. Yeah,
uh,
it's all Vietnamese.
speaking on the book
Very
or write
Yeah, and writing too. Great. And it's also about writing.
or
Very good.
the is
What else?
is is here. Let's go to is art.
Yes. Okay. Very good, honey. Okay. Let's go to the art, my dear. What is art?
Art is a drawing.
Art is a subject where you learn about drawing, about
It's a
painting.
painting.
Yeah. And then sculpting
It's a
too.
picture.
Yeah. Drawing pictures, painting pictures, for like pictures. Um, painting animals, the pictures of the animals, honey. Painting the pictures of the flowers, the mountains.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Do you like it? Do you like art?
Yes. I like.
Whoa. Which one? Which one do you like, Doc? Do you like the painting, the drawing,
Yes.
or
Yes.
the sculpting? Which one do you like? Which one do you like more?
I like is I'm
Me, I like painting. I like
Yes,
painting
I
more.
like painting.
How about you?
I
Which one do you like more?
me too. I like painting.
Whoa,
I like
that's really. I don't like drawing, honey. I really don't like it. I hate it, but I like painting. Yeah. Okay, now let's move forward to the next one, honey. Okay. I think this one's really easy for you, my dear. Let's have the first one. What is this? Mm, what is this one? Nope. Number one.
number one is math.
Very good. Number two.
Two is English.
English. Very good. The third one is
English.
three.
Vietnamese.
Yes, Vietnamese. Very good.
Vietnamese.
Fourth one we have. What's that?
Arts.
Great.
Arts.
Very good. Now let's have this one. What's that?
English. English.
Honey, that one is not English. It's English. English.
English.
Very
English.
well. Great. Fantastic. Okay, how about this one? What's that?
Art.
Art. Very good. The third one, what's that?
Vietnamese.
Very good. And the last one, what is that?
It's math.
It's a math. Oh, this one, that one is not the last one. How about this?
English.
Very good. Okay, now you're going to figure out, you're going to say what's missing, honey, okay? Let's have this
Yes.
one. What's missing?
It's English.
English is missing. One more time. Say English is missing.
English is missing.
Very good. How about this one? Which one is missing? Which one is missing? Which one?
Is art.
You say art is missing.
Art is missing.
Great. Okay, next. Which one is missing?
is math.
Math is missing.
Math is missing.
Very good. How about this?
Vietnamese is missing.
Very good. Okay, now you're going to look, complete, point, and say, hun. Do you want to write the correct answer, Duck? Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Duck. Thank you. Very good. Okay, the first one is, yeah, great. The second one is,
Vietnamese.
the third one,
Arts.
and the last one is,
English.
very good. Okay, now you have to listen and repeat, honey. You have to listen and repeat. Ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
I like art.
I like arts.
Great.
I like art.
Okay, honey, today you're going to
I
learn
like-
about the structure.
I like arts.
Yeah, and the usage of
To
this
talk
structure is
about
to,
preference using like.
honey, how do you read this word?
To talk about preference
Preference.
using.
Honey, preference.
Preferring.
Okay.
Preferring using
Yes.
like.
Yes. To talk about preference using the word like.
Để nói về sở thích, hãy sử dụng từ thích.
Okay?
Yes,
Now,
yes.
let's have this one, honey. Ooh. Okay, you have to read, honey. Just read. Okay, let's have number one.
I like English.
2.
1 is a B.
Hmm.
2 is a D. 3 is a A.
Very
4
good. Number,
is a C.
you have to read the sentence, honey. I like English. Number 1. 2.
I like English. I like arts. I like math. I like Vietnamese.
Very good. Okay, so we have here this one, honey. Let's talk. You will be the boy and teacher's going to be the girl. Okay, you go first.
I like English. I like
I-
maths.
Honey, you will be the boy and teacher's going to be the girl. Okay, again. I am the girl. You
I-
are the boy.
I like English.
I like math. Okay, anyway, honey, let's have the next one.
I like English.
How about this?
I like math.
Hmm.
I like arts.
Hmm,
I like Vietnamese.
very good. Oh, we are already done with lesson number 5, honey. Okay, so you say for today's lesson, the vocabularies
For
that I
today,
learned are
lesson are maths. English.
for today's
For
lesson,
today lesson,
the
the
vocabularies
vocabularies I learned
I learned.
about are maths, English, Vietnamese, and arts.
Very good, fantastic, Doug. Okay, now let's move forward to the structure that we've learned for tonight. How about this?
For today lesson, the
structure.
structure I learned about is I like arts.
Very good. Okay, so for your homework, honey, You're going to practice the vocabulary.
Practice the vocabulary and structures. I
Mhm.
make sentence
Mhm.
using same.
Great. Okay, honey, since we still have 3 minutes left,
It's
I
a
think
board. It's a whiteboard.
you want okay. You want the whiteboard, okay. I'm going to share
Yes.
honey. And let's do the spelling quiz, okay? Okay.
Spell word.
Okay. Wait for a while, honey. My whiteboard is still loading.
Speller or
Hold on. Wait for a while. I'm still in 50%, honey. Wait. Okay. Spell the word library. Spell the word library. Spell the word library. Great. Library? Library? Library. Very good. How about the word math? Not the math version, not the US math, honey, but the UK math. What is it? Math. With S, maths.
math.
Yeah, the math UK. Not the math Vietnamese, not the math USA. Math UK. What's that?
Not math. Not math. Not math.
Not, honey, not the math in US, but the math in UK or United Kingdom.
Not the math. It's a Vietnamese.
Not Vietnamese, but math in UK.
Art.
Honey, math.
English.
Here. Math. In UK, yeah. In United Kingdom, that's how they spell it, right? That's how they spell math in United Kingdom with S. But in America, they spell math without S.
Yes.
Okay. Now, honey, how about the word English?
Word.
Honey, when you spell the word English, it should start with a capital letter, a big letter. The E should be big. The E should be capital letter. English. Very good, but you got it right, honey. Anyway, Duke, the time is already over. Thank you so much, honey, for your time, and we're going to meet again tomorrow, okay? Thank you so much, Duke.
Yes.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah. Goodbye.
you.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye.